Hey, and welcome to the fourth and final episode of the Resin 101 series on Auntie Tay's channel. Today I'm going to talk about glitter. Yep, we are going to do 20 different ideas of ways you can use Auntie Tay glitter, aka pixie dust, with resin. Let's go glitter! Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. Okay, let's get it started. Number one is a phone grip. Phone grips are such a small and fun way that you can spruce up your phone. You can make them for your friends. I love adding glitter to my phone grips. Number two is home decor. I mean, this is really vague, but there are so many things you could do with glitter and with resin to decorate the house, hanging stuff on the walls. Super fun and super easy. Number three is badge reels. Badge reels are so fun to make. They are so popular right now for teachers, nurses, all the people. You can also do badge buddies and lanyard decor. So much fun. Number four are magnets. You can do alphabets, you can do little animals and shapes. Really, you can decorate your office, your craft room, do them for your kids. So many options to make magnets with glitter. Number five is a popular one of mine. I love making bookmarks. I love adding glitter to them. And then if you want to feel fancy, you can add an Auntie Tay membership file to it and you have it for your favorite book. And to bounce off number five, number six is a thumb book page holder. I love making matching sets of these, especially with glitter. They help hold your book open and it makes such a great gift for book lovers. They absolutely love it. I love making them. You'll love making them too. Number seven is a charcuterie board. Oh my gosh, I said it correctly. Yay! Anyways, adding a little bit of glitter and resin to the top of a charcuterie board makes it look so much fancier. Or you can do like what I did and made a little menu board for your kitchen. Number eight are candle votives. I actually made a bunch of these for my wedding and they were so cute. They're great for weddings, showers. Also, if you just want to feel a little fancy with a little sparkle when you have a nice bath, the resin does float in water. So if you have them floating in a bath, it is so fancy and so fun. And number nine, we have plant markers. I am a crazy plant lady, so I will add glitter wherever I can, especially to name my little beautiful babies. But resin is dry erase, so you can put the last time you watered on them. And to continue with the plant theme, number 10 is a planter. You can make little mini planters for those little succulent babies that aren't big enough for their big old pots. And they're so fun because normally they fit perfectly on your shelf. And the little extra shimmer in them is just to die for. I absolutely love them. Number 11 are coasters. There are so many types of coasters you can make with glitter. You can swap them out for different themes of the year. They're so amazing and a little extra decor, but fancified. Number 12 are rings and really any jewelry. You can make earrings, necklaces, little charms for bracelets, so many options. And if you need a place to store all those beautiful rings, 13 is a ring holder. I love making these with dried flowers from my garden or my wedding. That's actual dried flowers from my wedding with the glitter. It brings it to life. It's absolutely magic. I think everyone needs one. And then to continue with storage, 14 is little trinket dishes. I love to put my rings in them when I go to bed, take a shower, do the dishes. So obviously you need a bunch of them and you might as well add glitter because it looks stunning, so fancy. Love it. Number 15 is the classic choice of a tumbler. I mean, who wants a boring tumbler anymore? They're so outdated. Get yourself a glitter tumbler. Use Anti-Tay glitter. I guess we're back on storage because 16 is a mini shelf and I'm quite obsessed. You can store your bling, so you got your glitter and bling all right there in one magical, happy place. 17 is a straw topper. I mean, aren't straw toppers a need now too? You better have a glitter tumbler and you better have a glittered straw topper because they are just heaven on earth and they make everything just come together. Number 18 is a gift tag. How cute is that? Plus, then they can make it into a stocking tag or even an ornament. It's so much more than just a simple tag. 19 are my go-tos. I love making keychains for everything. Also, you can make them into zipper pulls and add them to coats and backpacks, all the things. Last but definitely not least is number 20 with our Mickey ears. I can only think of probably 500 million different Mickey ears I could make with resin, and adding glitter, the sparkle, the shine. Okay guys, I gotta get going because I need to make more ASAP. Here they all are one more time for your viewing pleasure. I hope this gave you just a few ideas. There are so many possibilities for resin and glitter. Have fun! Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the Resin 101 series. If you have any questions, because I know it was a lot to go over in a short amount of time, please leave a comment below. Also, if there's a project you've been dying to see me teach with using resin or glitter or both, it'd be even better, please leave a comment below and hopefully I can get to your video and teach you guys how to make all these fun things with glitter and resin.